To check data privacy settings on NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once you are on the home page, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is where account-level settings and preferences are usually accessed. Click your profile icon and open the Settings or Account Settings menu. Inside the section, look for any available privacy or data settings options. Depending on your version of NotebookLM and your Google account type, these settings may show how your data is handled, stored, or used across Google services. In some cases, NotebookLM may not show a detailed privacy dashboard directly inside the tool. Instead, it may redirect you to your main Google account settings, where broader privacy controls are managed. If this happens, open your Google account and navigate to the Data and Privacy section. This is where you can review and manage important controls such as web and app activity, personalization settings, and overall account data usage preferences. From here, you can decide how your activity is stored and whether certain types of data are used to improve Google services. These settings apply across your Google ecosystem, including tools like NotebookLM. It is important to regularly review these privacy settings so you understand how your data is being handled, especially when working with sensitive documents, research materials, or academic content inside NotebookLM. After making any changes, simply return to NotebookLM and continue using the platform normally. Your updated privacy preferences will automatically apply based on your Google account settings. And that's how you check data privacy settings on NotebookLM. Access your account settings, review privacy controls through Google account if needed, and adjust your data preferences to match your comfort level.